Ghanaians have come before you today on bended knees, begging, pleading, supplicating that in today's World Cup draw, you put us in the same group with Argentina, Spain, England, France, Brazil, Japan, our husbands. Please, FIFA, do this for us. We want to show the whole world.
So, see, you see Nigerians, this is the best moment for them. You see how happy they are. Ghana. Now only Ghana. The way Nigerians have carried Ghana matter on their head there, I don't even understand. Ghana, everywhere Ghana is giving them top it. Ghana is making them trend. I don't even imagine how you people really want Ghana to be defeated at the group stage. You want them to come back up just because Nigerians could not make it. You people did not make it. Very soon you'll be saying, I and Ghanaians, we are brothers. But you people will be mocking them at every slightest opportunity people have. It's not good. Encourage them, motivate their spirit. Tell them that as you guys are going Black Stars, defeat will not come. Even if it is difficult, it will come out as draw, okay? Let's motivate their spirit to go out there and defeat these people with the same group. Don't tell them they cannot. Who is England? Is England not a human being? And do they have 2 heads and 4 feet? Is it not the same 2 legs they have? The same Ghanaian players have? Of course, you guys are going to defeat them. I have faith. I don't care about England. Don't see it. Don't people already placing obstacles. People don't see the opportunities. They always see the obstacle. What is stopping you not to win? What is stopping you not to qualify? This group stage, we are going to cross it. Ghana is going to cross it. South Africa is going to cross it. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm just here to motivate our players, especially my favorite team. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Please subscribe so that this channel can get to 1K. Please guys, I want to see this channel by the end of this week. I want to see it by the end of today. 1K. I just want to wake up and see 500 subscribers from you guys. Please, thank you so much for watching this video. Guys, please watch this video.
Who Ghana is the true strength of the Black Stars, acquired by everybody. We will show them that we eat enough benku, enough shito. So FIFA, please do this for us today. Put us in this same group. Let them know the strength of the almighty Black Stars. Please, do this for us now, please, We didn't make it to AFCON, but we're going to win the World Cup. If we don't win the World Cup, we're not the Black Stars anymore. So FIFA, please do this for us. We beg you. We want to show the strength of Africa. And we, as Nigerians, join our voice to Ghanaians. We say, please, do this for our Ghanaian brothers. Please, put them in this kind of group. Let them show the world who they are. So please, FIFA, just do this for us and leave the rest to us. Just put Ghana in a group with Argentina, with Japan, their husband. You know, Ghana is Japan's wife. You know, they have been wedded well. Anyway, Japan catch Ghana. Then put France there. Put England there. you can throw in Brazil. You are feeling generous. Just help us, put Ghana like this, then leave the rest to us. Leave the rest to us. After that, that's all I need from you. Just deliver Ghana to me. That's my main focus in this World Cup, Ghana. I'm supporting any team that's against Ghana.
Ghana, I said this one a group, we go fit qualify. See, we go fit. Some people they talk say, oh, we are out then. See, Ghana we go fit qualify. Panama be bonus. Panama be bonus. But Croatia then England. England and Ghana will fight hard way when our boys do say, oh, we won't play them winner. England, Ghana, we go fit beat them. We go fit beat them. And this Croatia, if the Croatia will go worry some England, I say Ghana, if when our boys say them go fight hard them player, I they tell you, we can qualify from this group. Panama be bonus, England and Croatia be the problem. And if when our boys then when our coach do things well, I they tell you, Ghana we go qualify. We go fit beat England and Croatia. Forget their name, say England, them get Judes and Croatia, look, I'm already Ghana. If one of boys put them a hearts down, then when this thing do things well, I say we can qualify. We go fit.
Ghana for imagine Ghana in this group. France, Colombia, Norway, and Ghana. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. It's a tough group, but we Ghanaians, the Blasters, like this kind of group. Ghana at the World Cup is a different team. Blaster at the World Cup is different team. anytime we play against any big team, Ghana is on top. So Ghana playing against France of Kylian Mbappe. Guys, I think it's a good idea to showcase Ghana's Black Stars talent to Nigerians, because they will be on their TV watching us to go to flop. This is what they will be expecting. But Ghana has never flopped at the World Cup. Ghana meeting Diaz. Ghana meeting Haaland. Charlie, I love it. Let me know in the comment section. The draw is going on today. This is just the prediction. So let me know, what do you think about this? Whatever.
The World Cup draws have been done and dusted. And it's looking exciting, man. It's looking very, very exciting. So far, not all the teams have qualified. You know, there are still some playoffs to be played. And after those playoffs, we'll now find out the teams that will play in those different groups. Let's look at the groups that are balanced in the sense that, you know, all the teams have equal opportunity to go through to the next round. And also look at the teams that have, you know, easier chances to go through to the next round, and teams that might go out, you know, in the next round. So let's look at them together, right? In Group A, we have Mexico, South Africa, South Korea, and anybody who qualifies between Denmark, North Macedonia, Czech Republic, and Ireland. Now, when I look at that group, I'm looking at a group that is balanced. If you ask me, I think this is a balanced group. You know, everybody has equal opportunity to go through to the next round in that group. In Group B, we have Canada, we have Qatar, we have Switzerland, and also a group of teams that need to qualify. Italy is there, Wales is there, Bosnia and Herzegovina is also there. This group looks kind of balanced, but, you know, if Italy qualifies in this group, Italy might most likely be one of the favorites, you know, to go through to the next round. But let's see whether Italy will qualify, right? In Group C, we have Brazil, we have Morocco, we have Haiti, and we have Scotland. Now, this group is tough. This group is hot. See, make nobody look Scotland less. So, you see the Scotland team, then they worry. It is very, very difficult to beat them. This Scotland. So, Brazil, Morocco, Scotland. Now, Haiti, I ain't go drink goals. Haiti, now I ain't go suffer and but. You see the top two, nobody can tell. Brazil is not, you know, super wonderful right now. Morocco is one of the best teams in Africa. And we saw what they did in the last World Cup. So this group is very, very, you know, tough for me. Group D, we have United States of America, we have Paraguay, we have Australia, and we have another group of teams that are yet to qualify. I can see Turkey there, I can see Romania there, you know, and other teams. So in this group, it looks relatively balanced. I think it's a balanced group where anybody can qualify from this group. In Group E, we have Germany, we have Curacao, we have Cote d'Ivoire, and we have Ecuador. Now, this group is relatively easy for Germany. I think Germany should be qualifying from this group, you know, relatively easily, right? And I also believe that Cote d'Ivoire should also be, you know, in contention to qualify. Them and Ecuador should be in contention to finish second. But I think Germany will finish first in this group. In Group F, we have Netherlands, we have Japan, we have Tunisia, and also a group of teams that are yet to qualify. I can see Sweden there, I can see Ukraine there, I can see Poland there, and I can see Albania there. Now, this group, I think Japan and Netherlands are very, very tough teams in this group. They are going to give a lot of problems. Depending on who qualifies, if Sweden qualifies into this group is going to look very, very interesting with Isak and Gyökeres and the like. So watch out for Group F. In Group G, we have Belgium, we have Egypt, we have Iraq, and we also have New Zealand. Now, I think Belgium should be finishing first in this group. When I look at this group, Egypt should be in contention to finish second in this group. I think Belgium and Egypt should qualify in this group based on their capacity as teams. In Group H, we have Spain, Lamine Yamal. We have Cape Verde, we have Saudi Arabia, we have Uruguay. When I look at this Group H, all I can see is Uruguay and Spain going through to the next round. I'm sorry, Cape Verde, this group is very, very tough. This is going to be a very, very tough group for Cape Verde and Saudi Arabia. But Spain and Uruguay should be the top two teams in this group. In Group I, this is the boy group. We have France, we have Senegal, we have in Group I, we have France, we have Senegal, we have a group of teams that are yet to qualify, and we have Norway. Now, first things first, you see France, Senegal, and Norway. There's war. There's war there because that group is super, super tough. Right? Very, very tough group. I'm really looking forward to this group. Kylian Mbappe versus Erling Haaland in this group. You know, Sadio Mane in this group. It's a very, very exciting group, and it's going to be very, very entertaining to watch. Group I. In Group J, we have, you know, Argentina, Lionel Messi, the greatest of all time. We have Algeria, we have Austria, and we have Jordan. Now, Austria and Algeria are no pushovers, right? I'm expecting that Argentina will finish top in their group, but Austria is a very, very stubborn team. This team will give problem for this group. I foresee a lot of problems in this group, right? But I'm expecting that Argentina, based on their credentials as a team, they should be finishing top in this group. Now, in Group K, we have Portugal. We have a group of teams that are yet to qualify. We have Uzbekistan and we have Colombia. Now, Portugal and Colombia are, for me, the toughest teams in this group. And I think they are going to dig it out for who's going to finish first and second, Portugal and Colombia. I think the group is relatively, you know, easier for Portugal and Colombia to qualify. But let's see who finishes first or second in that group. Then finally, in Group L, we have England, we have Croatia, we have Ghana, we have Panama. See where they go keep Ghana. See where they go keep the Black Stars. I think England and Croatia are in pole position to finish first and second, but Ghana will give a fight. I think Ghana will fight effectively in this group. There will be a team to disturb in this group. Panama, I think Panama will be the team that will suffer, you know, the most in this group. But England and Croatia, for me, are the toughest teams in this group. Anyways, it's a very, very nice draws. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section about who you think will finish first or second in each group.
Just imagine Benjamin Sarri versus Kopama. Hey, Bema, hey, was somebody pool. Now, hey, one who did your banner is Saka. What you born away? Oh, Massa, where you should have 80 million. Hey, England, one may cookie a rough. Harry Kane, City baby, you better have crumpled my error. This is my home already. I know you. And I was a miracle. Hey, I said, my bow, my crown. I wish you have for and then 2026 FIFA World Cup draw the banner. Not just a Ghana first match in England. You ever saw up at all? Yeah, that's all crowd 3 days. You are near Croatia. If you are in a person and imagine 1-1. No, Panama, you're not so. Meaning you could do better. Hey, could do Panama with that job of 7. Namama Shabako. Hey, meaning the Metima Benjamin Asari. You know, yeah, the lock I tell you the positive without a change. Hey, me never pure positive for Guardian of Pajambra. England, you have your Mojima. You better have a moon shave. There were Massa. There you are about a England football board of any auntie. England football board of any auntie. On one time with the pellet cow. We need you. Yo, we just steady. Croatia for we just steady. Yo, Panama for the other. We are 10 o'clock by Chile. We now outside here, bra. Say, God, I am by any brown bread. 2026. Yo,
Until be a lie. Yet the World Cup and the best sub. No, American Damono. World Cup no so the election football now. What's to bring back the love? Na love no so there they or do be the football nature. Ghana with nature. And question t-shirt, black singlet, bean, wabashayan. It's not Damono. Per Ghana Jesse don't you know? Corner you should be a show. When the wabble best of one answer man, I better tell the tongue phone to create you. Will be our runner dance and whom new key or no, as someone say. Everyone saying, America Damono call everyone plug walk or Instagram or was a TikTok or Snapchat or baby ala. She should need you on quality jerseys. Intermallet shop baby, one was scam on. Penate you connect with Jesse for pay. Injo on an so will you be a tidy baby no make you. A pen customize or star or bed arm of a fair. No bon yet. Father Papa National Bon Hook out Nagan and a yellow born. A cautious shame, and you be Nessa. On Muhu page in a day, as some trick could be fake be as some actual. Until the end of a fair eye. The mechanic, the mechanic, the mechanic, local before they suggest him. Nessa Ghana one sign. Cope be say.